Hi, it's Charlie giving you Monday's market commentary. Hope you're very well and enjoyed the weekend. We'll start off with the FTSE here before we go into oil and the other markets. FTSE has had a good run along with the S&P. Broke this trend channel. Remember the warning I gave when we were down here and it looked like there was blood on the streets, and be careful, we're down on the lower trend channel line. And we've had a terrific run, much like the S&P. So it's broken out of there, it's come up to its daily 50. So where do we go to from here? Well, I think that it may want to consolidate a little bit. We're in a bit of no man's land now because it's against that daily 50. So is it going to break through or what? We're just about to, I think we'll probably consolidate. We may want to pull back to this prior little high here at least, which would be, we're currently way up though. We're currently up at 6438 actually. This isn't a live chart, so we're currently here as of this morning. And but I could see us pulling back to the 6300 area as a pullback zone. I can see that being touched this week, but at the moment with the 50-day moving average there, I need to see a little bit more clarity to see if we're going to just break and get closes above that first and get some clear air there. So a little bit not quite so clear just yet with that one. Have a quick look at the S&P as well, because the S&P, again, last week I was saying we're in a bit of no man's land because we were midway through the channel, and now, as of, this is Friday's close, we're just about trying to start to try and break through this channel, and as of this morning, as I look off screen, the futures are, I think they're up again. Yeah, they're up marginally a little bit higher here again, past this close. So far so good, and I think we've got a nice trend channel here. I think ultimately we've got these highs back on the cards now. With the key reversal a few months back, had a lovely run down off of that, and we've had a nice sort of flag type pattern, and it looks like we're breaking out of that, and we're probably over the coming months going to get back up to these highs and beyond. So we'll look out for that. But at the moment, it's only still a little bit early days just yet. May still want to play around for a while, but I think that's the pattern that's going to be playing out. Right, let's go and have a look at the oil, because oil's had that tremendous run. I've talked about it till I'm blue in the face really over the last couple of months. So it's having a good run there, and next target is 105 on oil. Great run. It's been up to 104 this morning. This isn't a live chart either on oil, but it's been up to 104 this morning. So and I think we should be fine on that one. My stop's already up to break even now anyway again, so 98.50. I've taken partial profit, but I really want to see if I can get that run to 105. So we're just going to see if that can run on or not. 104 has been hit. I may even move my stop up to maybe 99 or 99.50. I'll have a look at it later. Maybe even 99.50 actually to lock in some gains there. But we'll just see what happens with that one. It's running well. 105 looks like the next target, and the reason why we just come out to a weekly chart, and we've got these prior highs over here. This cluster here first of all at 105, and then obviously we've got the big highs, made a high up here at 110, but I'll be satisfied enough with 105 at the moment, but the weekly chart looks like 110 is going to be on the cards as well, so may well be one to try and hold on. Some of you traders who are in it, you may want to hold on to that one and see if you can get 110. It'll be a whopping great big trade actually. I may even do the same myself and just say, I've had some points. So if I lock it in at 99.50 and then gradually just try and trail the stop up, never know. Like sometimes with oil, it can just go and go and go. It's one of those sort of markets, so maybe worthwhile trying to do that actually. I may sacrifice because it may pull back, and then I've sacrificed taking several hundred pips out of the market, but or points out of the market. But actually, that's not a bad idea. I've locked in 100, so yeah, let's give it a go. Okay, let's have a quick look at a couple of the currencies. Not really too much to say about cable. Obviously, big move down. Let's go out to the higher time frame, but it is into these prior lows from March. I think that ultimately they're probably going to get broken, but we're probably in for a dead cat bounce there. So some sort of bounce, and it's a similar situation with the euro as well, probably in for some sort of bounce. But we've broken this trend channel here to the downside, and it does look like with the euro that we've probably got these lows to be attacked yet, and this big sort of head and shoulders type pattern as well in play. I think ultimately it does look quite bearish for the euro, but just when you're thinking it looks bearish, these markets can put in some pretty sizable bounces. So for now, I think we're into dead cat bounce territory. That's certainly a possibility there. I'll leave that with you. Have a fabulous few days. Kim will probably be doing a recording on Wednesday. We've got the webinar on Thursday night. No live trading on Friday. I'm away Friday, so no live trading on Friday again. So I'm going to miss out on that one. But have a great week anyway.